Hello everyone, my name is Wendy Chen. I'm going to present my final year project. We study the topic of sustainable and biodegradable materials, and we introduce the final design for our plastic food container set. The topic can be divided in the following parts: the research plot, proposal, material testing, and ideation, so the present will be in the same order. Starting from the research part. The focus is on food waste and disposable food containers and tableware, both of which are sustainable waste issues in Hong Kong. Did you know that we discard more than 3,600 metric tons of food waste every day, which can fill about 1.4 standard swimming pools? On the other hand, the use of plastic containers and tableware has shuddered. From an analysis of social, economic, technological, and political, that helped me gain a better and broader understanding of the fact. It also helped me to generate different opportunities. Some of them can be overlapped and explored further. The opportunities include design can reflect and improve food waste recycling, encourage and change human awareness of the use of eco-friendly food containers and tableware. In addition, with more people realizing the importance of maintaining Earth's ecological balance, application of biodegradable materials have become a sustainable development trend in different industries, so the design also could explore the use of PLA materials in various applications. Then, after the market segment research, the target group as environmentalists and young people or workers who often buy takeaway were defined. Personas help me better understand their personality, frustration, needs, and etc., so I can decide the product or service that suits for them. Next comes to the existing competitors on different categories of materials for food containers to understand the positioning of the product location. As you see, the position next shows the features and environmentally protection of food containers as measured as environmentally friendly materials, and product features are the key elements to tackle with food waste and disposal containers waste issues. What's followed is our project brief consists of design objectives and criteria. Regarding objective, it is to explore and test of various potential biodegradable materials and to find out their possible application, achieve the efficiency and sustainability of environmentally friendly production of materials and design, create unique and innovative design elements, check out the challenges that users may face in daily life, and to identify alternative design opportunities, meet production requirements and standards for the materials used, provide other environmentally friendly food waste disposal methods, and at the same time to raise the awareness of the sustainable development of food waste. And then design criteria are set for my designs regarding performance, user experience, materials, environmental advantages, size and weight, and colors and form. After that, in order to better manage my time and project, Gantt charts are great tools for me to keep tracking schedule. Moving on to the material testing part. So last semester, I conducted extensive testing with similar topic classmates and the supervisor to find out a new hard and disposable, biodegradable, reusable, and environmentally friendly materials, so as to solve the current food waste problem. We have tested with different formulations by using survival kinds of materials such as eggshells, calcium arginate, gelatin, coffee bean hulls, prawn shells, fish bones, and PLA, etc. If you're interested, you can just have a look. So after extensive material experiments, the best results was obtained when combining PLA and eggshells. From different percentage of eggshells and PLA, the optimal content of eggshells in PLA is about 10% to 20%, which produce materials that were more stable, harder, smoother, and more water resistant than the rest. Since PLA also can be 3D printed, so eggshells and PLA could be potentially converted into 3D printable form, and any application could be explored based on this physical property. Moving on to the last part, includes mood board for my inspiration and support the preference target audience. Then some funnels for quickly ideas. Concept drawings with more details and present of my thoughts. So the final design is a combination of concept 1 and concept 2, then the rest concept. And then more thoughts were explored, and some development sketches to record the ideation process and the improved version after each design adjustment. Thereafter, a full model with some cardboard and plastic sheets were made to test whether the design can be implemented, testing its feature and function. Like the size testing, holding testing, volume testing, and making improvement after the test. The following are some dimension diagrams created from software engineering graphic. This is the exploded view with BOM for each part of the assembly. The final design was created. Renderings of the product show the color, finishing, and materials. is the big hero shot, and the product's environment simulates scenes which can attract others to go through my design details. So the final design is a food container set made of eggshells and PLA, which solving the problem of waste. It also provides a forward-looking alternative to the problem of disposal, lunchbox, and tableware. The purpose of the design is to change people's habits when buying takeaways and encourage the use of reusable containers. His tough bioplastic containers can play an important role in sustainability. There are some function of the design. As you see, the smaller containers can fit right into the large containers, so it can be completely stored away when not in use. But when you use the containers are full of food, the smaller containers can be stacked on the top of the large containers and twist up the comfort into food status. Also, to cater the Hong Kong's eating habitat, the food containers also set a soup and a noodle separation containers, refers to separate different foods, providing the assemble spoons and forks, as well as the rotatable chopstick, all of which can be stored inside the food containers, shown in the picture. Here's some others detailed. So the design also can be reusable, recyclable, and biodegradable. The packaging So in summary, the design concept and expected results of the above suggestion are put forward in terms of food waste treatment. For the design of eggshell food containers project, it's not only possible to prevent and reduce the waste of eggshells, but also recycle eggshells into valuable products. Eggshells food containers can be disposed of with food waste and then converted into biogas with the help of anaerobic digestion as a source of green energy and nutrition-rich biofertilizers. It has a lot of potential. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you.